Well, so far we talked about models in the context of field models that were migrated to types in the migrated code. But in Magic, you could also define control models called GUI display models, which are defined over here. These control models are migrated to controls, and we can find them in the base project under the views namespace. In the controls folder, we'll see the migrated version of these GUI display models. Simple controls. How do we use them? Well, so far when we've designed our screen, we've used the toolbox and we've added these sections to the toolbox automatically using the Setup Toolbox option in the right-click menu of the phone. But now let's create our own tab and put in the controls that we want to have in it. So simply right-click here and say Add a tab, and I'll call it My Tab. I'll select it, and then I can just drag and drop controls from it from other tabs, or I can add more controls. So I'll right-click on the form, choose Add Controls to Toolbox. I'll go to Northwind.NET bin and select the Northwind base project. That's where the views controls are. And I'll get this dialog with all of the optional controls that I can select from. I'll go to Northwind Views Controls and select the OK and the Close buttons. And click the Add to Toolbox button. By doing that, those two controls will be added to my tab. And then I can simply drag and drop them to my screen and just put them here. I can put the OK, I can put the Close, and they come here ready-made. So let's recap. We created our own tab, and we added the common controls that we want to use to this tab. This is a pattern I use a lot when I develop because I don't need all of the controls. I usually use just a subset of those and the ones that are configured to the way I like them. In the next video, we'll show you how to create a new custom control.